Hello, welcome to Shenzhen MOCO Interconnect Co. Limited, one of the leading manufacturers of high-quality connectors and cables in China. We are specialized in a broad range of industrial connectors and cable assemblies, including circular push-pull connectors, sensor connectors, RF connectors, NDT cables, camera cables, sensor cables, RF cables, and so on. We are located in Shenzhen, China, with more than 4,000 square meters facility. We have more than 100 high-precision CNC machines, which were imported from Japan to make all of our connector metal parts. One of our key products is the state-of-the-art push-pull circular connector. Our automatic equipment helps us improve production efficiency and speed up delivery time. In order to provide one-stop service, we proudly make cable assemblies according to customers' requirements. Every cable assembly is fully inspected to ensure that it meets the requirements specified. The key fact of MOCO enjoying high reputation from all over the world is because of our strict quality control system. The 500 square meters warehouse holds a considerable stock of raw materials, semi-finished or finished products, so that we can ship the products to customers within 1 to 4 weeks based on the order quantity. MOCO has excellent and well-developed engineering team to provide customized service, and our sales team provides 24/7 online service. We definitely see us as a professional one-stop solution service provider in the connectivity industry. MOCO has passed the National High-Tech Enterprise certification, and our products already passed certifications of UL, CE, ROSE, and ISO 9001. With nearly 10 years experience in the connectors and cables industry, our products are exported to more than 50 countries in Europe, America, Middle East, South Asia, and other regions. Thank you for visiting our factory today. I believe you already have a basic understanding of MOCO, and we are looking forward to build a long-term cooperation with you. If you need more details, please feel free to contact us.